What's up? There's a quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So what do we have here? As you can see, the price did form a nice double bottom engulfing pattern, and if you follow me from a couple of months or a year, or if you are my MMTA full course student, you know we had a valid condition, all the rules are met, and price did pushed up from here. In my yesterday's video, if you see, I've clearly mentioned that we will wait for one more candle to close below this zone for a bearish confirmation, and then we will use the zone as our trend continuation zone. Now that did not happen. As you can see, price closed above, back in the zone. That is why it is very important to look for these type of conditions. Now at this point, price has also closed above 50 and 20 EMA. So at this point, what you need to wait for the condition, exactly like yesterday, like we did not have a close of this candle and price pushed up. Now if we have a close of this candle above 50 EMA, in that case we will look for further bullish confirmation. If that candle closes back in the zone, then we are not going to take a bullish trade. So just wait for this candle to close. If close above, we will look for further bullish trade followed by a pullback of few red candles, bullish engulf, and then we will still go long. So price looks bullish to me at this point as long as we have this candle closed above 50 and 20 EMA. So exactly the same here on currency.com, price did pushed up. Now if this candle closed above, we have a good signal that price wants to continue push up in a trend. In that case, I will not buy straight away. I will wait for the pullback of few candles that must happen above 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfer. In that case, we have a good buy signal. So wait for the condition, let this candle close to take your entries with conditions. Let's check gold. Right, so we finally had a nice fall out of gold. As mentioned a couple of videos ago, price is nicely pushing down with this trend and then formed a nice bearish candle, and then we had a nice massive push down around $12 from here. Now at this point, again, I'm not buying gold. I will still look for the price to fall in the zone, which is 1959.43. So my buying zone is still the same, right? The support area mentioned in my yesterday's video, or break above 50 and 20 EMA. Once that happens, if we have a dramatic push up broken above 50 and 20 EMA, in that case I will start looking for my buy conditions only. Let's check silver. Silver is just pushing sideways. What we want to see, a breakout above or a breakout below. So at this point, we can still get a push up, retest of this upper level of this trend, and then we can get another push down. So at this point, I still want to see a complete push down within this zone, which I've mentioned in a couple of videos ago, which is 24.60, that goes down to 24.07, from where we will enter our buy trade. So at this point, I'm not buying or not selling silver. I'm just waiting for a breakout for the confirmation of bullish or bearish. Let's check crude oil. Right, so crude oil has now successfully pushed down in our zone, and at this point, if you see on 1 hour time frame, we did have a nice double bottom pattern right here, and looking at that was your entry right here, the close of this candle, and ADR is 4, means we can only expect $0.4 push up, and if you see from here, we had $0.6 push up. That is what we got on 1 hour time frame. Now on 4 hour time frame, we do have a nice swing low engulfing candle. Now this is also a bullish signal, and expecting some push up from here, at least $0.8 to $1 push up. If you want to take this trade, you need to keep your stop loss below this rejection zone or below this wick and take profit wherever you want to take it. If you want to manage it, you can manage it till 20 EMA. That is what I'm looking at for commodities. Any questions, any confusions, you can always DM me on Instagram. I'll get back to ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Have an awesome weekend. Take care.